Hi there. Welcome to Learn English with me. Are you ready to learn some simple English words you can use every day? In this video, we'll go over 10 basic words, their meanings, and how to use them in sentences. Let's begin. The first word is morning. This is the time between when you wake up and noon. You can greet people by saying, "Good morning." Maybe you can try it tomorrow. The second word is water. It's a clear liquid that we drink to stay hydrated. Example sentence, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" When you're thirsty, you can use this word to ask for water. Next, we have food. Food is what we eat when we're hungry. Example sentence, "The food smells so good." You can use this word to talk about meals or snacks. The fourth word is friend. A friend is someone you like and trust. Example sentence, "My best friend always makes me happy." Who is your best friend? Use this word to talk about them. The fifth word is happy. It means feeling good or cheerful. Example sentence, "I am so happy today." How do you feel right now? If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to show your support. Your feedback motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thanks for watching. Now, let's continue. Our next word is work. Work is something you do to earn money or accomplish tasks. Example, "I have a lot of work to do today." Use this word to talk about your job or responsibilities. The seventh word is home. This is the place where you live. Example sentence, "I want to go home and relax." You can use this word to talk about your house or where you feel comfortable. The eighth word is love. Love is a strong feeling of care and affection. Example sentence, "I love my family." Who or what do you love? Practice using this word. The ninth word is help. It means to assist someone or make things easier for them. Example sentence, "Can you help me with my homework?" Use this word when you need support or want to assist others. Finally, we have learn. It means to gain knowledge or a new skill. Example sentence, "I want to learn English with you." Just like you're doing now, you can learn new things every day. Let's review all the words we learned today. Here are the 10 words: morning, water, food, friend, happy, work, home, love, help, and learn. Great job today. Try using these words in sentences to practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Learn English with Me, for more lessons. See you next time.